Hot dogs, 50 cents, ribs.
Hot dogs, I got ribs. I got all kind of sidings there.
Yeah?
Steak. Got it all.
That looks messy.
Huh?
You cook them today?
Yeah, I just cooked them. I just got through cooking them. I just put the stuff on.
How's it going?
Good. How about y'all?
It's warm.
Trying to cross when I know.
Sweet Valley.
That farther
That's
down.
pretty cool. Babysitter club. That's also cool. Careers for girls. New kids on the block.
New kids on the block?
I know, right? Isn't that cool?
Don't you want to stay in alive too?
I know, like, I might as well, right?
Yeah, I mean, why not?
Would you do 10 bucks for all of them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 3 is 15. I'll do
Okay.
12.
Okay, 12. 12. I think that's how they're marked anyways, because a bunch were marked at 2.
I was going to say, I could get
I think these 3 are 2, so 2, 4, 6. 3 and 3 is 6, so 12.
12. That'll be fine. 12.
Okay.
Now tell me, what is it's none of my business, but
It's a camera.
It's
Yeah, it's a little camera. I record myself when I go to garage sales so I can see all the stuff I find.
aren't you smart?
Yeah, exactly. So I'll leave those there and I'll keep looking.
Where did you get that, if you don't mind me asking?
This just on GoPro.com or Best Buy. If you ever go to Best Buy, yeah, it's a little camera. And they got a little backpack and it just sits there and you can record everywhere you go.
So if you're out, if I'm out walking by myself.
Yeah, you could record the whole thing.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
that's
you.
nice. Yeah. Awesome, cool old books.
Okay, you'll get those.
Yeah, I'll leave them there just because they're
fine.
big
I
and
just don't want you to forget.
yeah, I might.
No,
I've done it before.
You won't.
Needing each other. These are cool. Oscar the Grouch.
Don't you like dog?
Is this one? No. Yeah, he is. Oh, wow.
I've never seen it.
That is a cool one. How much are they? I have to pay about
Oh,
a
it's
piece
all the
usually.
clothes.
Oh yeah, Build-A-Bear clothes. Be curious on the price for all of it, I guess.
How much for every?
Yeah, more games for you.
Nice.
Yeah.
$6.
How about this? We'll give you the bed for it too.
For 6? Okay. Yeah, we can do that.
But you want the bin? Oh yeah, we better keep that. Laundry thing at home.
So 6. We'll come back and pay for that in a minute. Let's see what we got in here. Some Beanie Boos.
Oh, you even have a little hanger. My daughter just turned 7, and that's what she wanted to do. Go to Build-A-Bear for her birthday. Yeah.
What do you got on these 3?
Those are $3-4. That's $1.
3 for $1, so $1, $7. Put them in there. So I'm at 7. Let me see if I can find anything else. I got a 10.
We can get 10.
Okay. There you go. It's the Grinch. Kinda cool. I'm gonna take a look inside.
Okay.
$3? What do you think, Tina? Should I do it?
To troll the kids.
Just to scare our children? Is it worth it? Probably. 1, 2, 3. Thanks. Got holiday Barbies. The one thing I hate.
Can I put it on for your new?
No. Because oh, here we go for the party. Let's just tap out. Come and get it.
Like,
It's a workout
bottle
thing.
to open it.
That's
Okay, well.
I'll ask him how much this is.
This is like sweet.
Oh, the fan feels amazing. Grab me the Sims Superstar over there, the PC game. Second from the bottom. Far right. Yeah. Got some Xbox games. Oh, Pocket Bike Racer, that's not worth it. Thanks. The game in it. Yeah. Got some rollerblades.
I'll leave you one.
DVD player, VHSs. Yeah. Probably could buy them.
Look at that machine. Karaoke.
We already have one.
Oh, they don't have anything.
No one ever came. That's awesome. Blues Clues, Blues Clues. Sit down in our thinking chair and think, what is this? This creature. It's like a raccoon and
Crab and platypus.
bear.
Maybe it's a mixture of
It is bizarre. Elijah would like it. Build-A-Bear, My Little Pony. I can't stop myself. Huh. I got some plushes.
Do you need a float?
Do I need a float? The girls might want it. How much you charging for your plushes?
That's about $2 a piece.
Whew, you're expensive on the plushes. All of them? Even the Beanie Babies?
I'll give you each 2 of those for $1.
That sounds about right for Beanie Babies for me. Yeah, so that's $2. Now, if we're talking $2 a piece, I think I only want probably these 3 for $2 a piece. I'd give you $1 for each of these. That work?
We got a deal.
So 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11.50.
We'll
I
just
guess.
call it 11.
Okay, cool. Oh, and then these games. Well, they're not all games. This is a workout thing, and then that's a game.
Tap out like $4.
Okay, so 15, and then do
I'll
buck.
give that to you for $2.
11, so 15, 16, 17 bucks. Okay. You got change for 20? I gave you 3 for that already. The Grinch. Cool, perfect. Thank you, man.
She's gonna give you this back.
Oh, awesome. Yeah, that'll be good because I gotta go across the road. Yeah.
She doesn't like that.
Little Beanie Boos. Those are cute. How much are your Tina, ask them how much their plushes are. Their little beanies. Ask them how much. $1 each. I don't know, maybe.
Would any of these fit my phone?
What's that?
We have all these. Any of these fit my phone? They don't say what size they are.
I guess $1 a piece isn't that bad. I just think some of them might only be worth $6.
Should I try?
You can just put it on your phone and see. See if it fits.
You want a bag for that?
Sure. Yeah. Have 5 of them.
What?
Cool, thank you, man. Hot dogs, 50 cents, ribs.
Hot dogs, I got ribs. I got all kind of sidings there.
Yeah,
Steak. Got it all.
that looks messy.
Huh?
You cook them today?
Yeah, I just cooked them. I just got through cooking them. I just put the stuff on.
Just put the stuff on?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm eating one right now. You see me eating?
Alright, I'll take some ribs.
You want a real sandwich or a real plate?
Just rib plate.
Okay. One no.
What's this, collards?
You get 2 sidings with a plate. What kind of sidings you want? You got greens, you got all what there, what you got to read on that blue thing right there. And you get a soda for free or a juice for free.
Do you have any diet or is it already?
Yeah, I got diet.
Which
Look at
one?
I
This
think
one?
I see to put diet in it. Diet Mountain Dew.
Yes, that's what I'm looking for.
I think it's
Oh, that's fine.
well, big for it. I'm sure it's in there, right? Yeah, I see the Diet Mountain Dew thing right there.
Look at me.
This one?
This one?
Let me tell you where it is.
Howdy.
I've chased that down 20 times.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Wetting. It's getting real hot.
Yeah, it is.
These 2 tables are fill-a-bags for $3.
Oh, okay.
Put it in a plastic bag down there. Oh, and everything at the bottom of the driveway is free if you need.
We're ready to close up, huh?
We're getting there.
You do it yesterday too?
Yes. Started
Wow. Kind of cool. An ice cream maker. My dad uses this every day, remember? Mm-hmm. He loves his little... How much is this thing?
$3.
3? How about that hat?
How much on your hat?
$5.
$5.
Do you want this, and this? $10.
I don't know if I need an ice cream maker.
You can do sorbets with it. You can do anything with it.
Crazy busy.
Works really well. And the only reason why I'm selling it is because I have another one,
Really?
and I don't need to.
Would you do 6 on the 2? 3 and 3? Or you can tell him that this is 4 and this is 2.
Yes.
6?
Whatever.
Yeah, 6? Okay.
Go ahead, sorry. Yeah, it can get crazy out there.
Yeah, I like this better.
Yeah, it can get
You're
nuts.
going through, I'm like, look at the neighborhood. Let's go there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Leave me in the neighborhoods. Out there is crazy.
Yeah, it's... Yeah, there's... You gotta just keep going, because you will hit some non-vendors.
There's
yeah.
4,
Try to avoid
5,
that
6.
kind of whole parking lot.
Yeah.
Appreciate you.
Thank you. Next time we see my dad, I'm gonna hold this and be like, "Hey, what's up?" He's gonna be like, "How'd you get my?" He uses this every day.
See that?
All right, thanks, guys. Sure. Hey, everyone. Thanks for coming with me to those yard sales today. I actually had a delicious meal as well as some good finds. Let's talk about our finds really quick. We got 5 board games, only 4 that I really wanted, but she really wanted me to buy the 5th, so I went for it. Paid $12. She thought she was giving me a deal, but it was basically sticker price, but it was still fine because I knew they were good games. New Kids on the Block I already listed for, I think, $40. It was complete. And then Babysitter's Club was actually not complete, nor was Careers for Girls. They're over here. They're only missing small things. Like Babysitter's Club is missing like 3 cards, and this is missing the pawns. I could just maybe buy some pawns and throw them in there and sell that as complete. But those actually are really good games. Like Careers for Girls, I think is $30, and Babysitter's Club is $30 as well. So those are both good games. And then Sweet Valley High was another really good one. It's actually weird because the comps are a little all over the place. Some sold for like 25, 30, and then some sold for 50. I listed mine a little on the high side, I think 40, and see if I get it, and that'd be cool if I did. I think I can still sell those games that were missing some pieces. So all in all, I probably will get around $100 for that 12. And then I bought a bunch of plush. This one I bought just because it was so weird, and I can't figure out where it's from or what it is or what it's worth, but it's just bizarre. It's like a badger, bunny, I don't know, it's got wings, weird, I don't know. So whatever that is, I just thought it was unique. I did get some Beanie Babies for my kids. They collect them, yes, I know they're the only people left that do. I got that Grinch mask, which I put up. I think I'll sell that for like 20, 25, closer to October. And I got a bunch of Beanie Boos. I always pick those up because usually they're worth $6, you know, especially if you can get them cheap, like $1 or less. I like to pay 50 cents for them. I listed all those. Most of them listed for around $7 to $10, but that one gray puppy with the little brown feet are listed for $15 and has quite a few solds there. So every now and then you can get extra lucky, but it's like easy bread and butter items to buy those Beanie Boos, so I usually pick them up, and they're easy to list. Cookie Monster was broken. I didn't realize that. We also got a whole thing of Build-A-Bear clothes and a couple bears. I don't think I've listed those yet, and I haven't even looked through them. They're somewhere in this pile on this desk. So still got some work to do there. But other than those... Oh, and I got a couple video games and those workout DVDs. The workout DVDs look like they sell for 15 to 20. And then the Sims game sells for around 8. So there's a lot of small items today. I think the board games were the best score. That'll net me the most profit. Had fun though, and actually it was during the 100-mile yard sale, and we were exhausted. It was like 11 a.m. We're sweating, we're tired, we're starving, me and my wife, and we see these like ribs. This guy's cooking his yard. I'm like, oh, it's an oasis. It's food. And I did order ribs, and they were delicious. And so were the collard greens and the beans. They were all very good. That guy was smart. He was raking in the dough. People kept coming in and buying more and more. I actually gave him a tip too, just because I was so hungry and it was so convenient that I couldn't resist giving him a nice tip. Yeah, here's that Sweet Valley High game that I listed. There's a lot of that listed stuff in there. So yeah, pretty good finds. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you subscribe and check out NC Flipper to see what everything sells for. Catch you next time.